Hi everyone, Eric Mashinsky, CEO of Elite Crowdfunder here from Miami. It's January 21st, 2016. Just an update on the Uber fund that we're offering out. A lot of folks aren't aware that this is a real situation. My background on Wall Street and also a lot of venture capital experience in Silicon Valley, an area that has surfaced really when Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn became very large private companies and waited a long time to go to the public markets. What surfaced was what's called the secondary marketplace. And an example of that is that if you are, say, an engineer at Uber and you were there from the early days or even from a year or two ago, you're heavily compensated in stock and options, and you live a normal life in terms of living in an apartment, driving a Hyundai, and you make ends meet and make a $70, $80, $90,000 a year salary. But because the company has exploded in growth, you may be sitting on $20, $30 million in equity. And so what has happened is that there are select groups that will go and contract with a seller, usually an employee, an ex-employee, could be a director, could be a venture capital fund or an individual angel that invested at a much cheaper valuation that wants liquidity for whatever reason or just wants to take some money off the table because they have another 12 to 24 months to wait until the company goes public. So in this particular case, right now I've learned as of yesterday, meeting our partners in Miami from New York City, they came down for 2 days and we talked about this entire marketplace and what right now is an exclusive $800,000 piece of Uber for Elite Crowdfunder members. Not only that, right now, if you want to invest in Uber pre-IPO, there's 2 places in the entire world that you can go. There will be 3 next week. Right now it's Morgan Stanley. If you are worth 100 million or more as a high net worth, ultra high net worth client of Morgan Stanley and want to write a check for a minimum $1 million, you can invest in their Uber fund, which they did with the cooperation of Uber, the corporation, giving various employees the ability to sell a certain percentage of stock at $48.75, which is about a $62 billion valuation. We have $800,000 approximately left at 38 bucks a share. This is the same price, around $50 billion, that Microsoft put in over 100 million last summer, and it's well over 10 bucks cheaper than Morgan Stanley is giving their most high net worth customers. So if you're interested, we only have a minimum of 25 grand because we are spreading this out to many members of our community. However, if you have the appetite for several $1 million worth of Uber, we can accommodate with this particular block, and then the firm that we have an exclusive with is working on sourcing additional stock a little bit higher than 38, but not as high as 48. So just a note to let you know this is real. We appreciate you being here on our page and checking into this Uber investment. If you would like more information, details, subscription documents, wiring instructions to get involved, just click that I'm interested button, register, and we'll contact you immediately. Thank you.